think is we need to go back to. You are saying she walked into your surgery today with a body mass index of 17, you would admit her to hospital?
I would, and I'd be asking Natalie to come back on a regular basis to get weekly weights. If that dropped any more, I would be admitting you and putting you on IV fluids to make sure you were getting enough nutrients. Natalie, your periods, you mentioned that. The reason why that's happening, your weight is so low. Females actually need a little bit more weight than men to produce estrogen. So when your weight is this low, you're not producing that hormone.